who don't know, I'm Karen from Veets Vegan Cooking School, and I'm so excited today because yesterday at 3 o'clock the online course that I've been putting together with the help of wonderful women went live, and it's a course that was all filmed in this kitchen and it's coming out to your kitchens, and it's all live now. It has 7 hours of footage. Let me see if I can do this. Woo! It has 7 hours of footage. It's got lots and lots of tips, loads of tips. I share so many tips. It's great. It's a great value. It's priced at $2.95. There's the enroll button there. But if you look in the comments, you'll see that I'm offering you a launch price, which is available until the 8th of the 12th, and that's $2.29. So you get $66 off, and that's Australian dollars. So if you're overseas, it's even cheaper. I'd love you to come and join me. It's a brilliant course. You'll learn so much. It's for everyone. It's for people who can cook, can't cook, love cooking, and even for people who don't love cooking but they want to, people who want to make things easier in the kitchen. Yeah, it's worth it. Go do it. Do it today. Press that enroll button. Okay, oh, you need to find out where it is. It's www.veets.com.au, and Veets is spelled V-E-E-T-S. So that's V-E-E-T-S. Okay, great. Can't wait to see you on the course, and please like, share and subscribe to this video. Bye everyone.